Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. So, to get started, you'll want to grab a SIM eject tool, which should come provided with the device in the box. Now, typically it won't look as fancy as the one that I have right here, but it will do the job. Now, if you can't find it, you could potentially use a paper clip. Straighten out one of the ends, cut off the plastic wrapping if you have one on there, and it will work just as well. Now, with that in mind, once you have either one of those, you can pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the device. Now, I do want to quickly mention, if you live in the US, there is a small chance that you don't have a SIM tray in your phone. If that is the case, don't worry, that is normal for US. At least it's most certainly normal for US releases of iPhones, but in Europe we still have those. In cases of you not having this, you would need to add eSIM instead of a physical card like this one. And I'll quickly show you where you can find that. Anyway, so you want to push that in, and the tray will pop out enough for you to pull it out. On the tray, you will have space for just a single SIM card. So grab it. Make sure it's clipped in correctly. It does have a tiny retention bracket, so it shouldn't be falling out of the tray if you flip it upside down. And from there, we're just going to insert it back into our device. You can also clearly see there is no SD card support in this device, which shouldn't come as a surprise, as there hasn't been one ever for flips and folds. In any case, once you insert your card, it should show up with the either pin if you have one, which I do, so I'll need to confirm that. Once I do so, it becomes unlocked and connects to services and all that jazz. Now, if you don't have a pin, it just does it automatically, meaning connects to it. Now, for the eSIM purposes, if you want to add eSIM instead of a physical card, because you can't do that, you can go into your settings, and in settings, navigate to Connections, SIM Manager, and add eSIM. You will, though, need to have internet connection. That'd be through Wi-Fi, for instance, or mobile network. Whichever one will work, but if you can't insert a SIM card, well, then it only leaves Wi-Fi. And once you have it, you can then click on Add eSIM, and it will allow you to scan QR code or some other things. So anyway, with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.